Where? Who the hell are you?
Ooh. I'm what you call an ice-cold can of whoop-ass.
Who the hell are you?
I'm what you might call a champagne problem.
What you got, big man?
Really thought that would have broke.
I'm gonna kill you! You're gonna die!
All right. No. It's my favorite jacket. Don't do that. Hi, sweetheart. Could you pass me that gun, please? Thank you very much. Nice tats. All right, ass clown, we're gonna play a little game. It's called Hangman. I'm gonna ask you some questions. When you give me an answer I don't like. Okay, you get the idea. I've been tracking some dark web chatter about a super virus that's coming up on the auction block. Why don't you tell me about it?
I swear, I don't know.
I don't like that answer. Yeah.
A little bird told me about a shadow outfit. Black tech. Bloodhounds. Real assholes. Like you. They're called Etion. And you're gonna tell me where to find them. You're not gonna tell me because I'm hanging you out of a window. You're gonna tell me because I'm the guy willing to drop you.
All right, bonus round. Where's the virus?
No, wait! Don't leave me out here! Please! Don't leave me! Don't leave me! What the hell?